Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Now, if you're looking for a way to make some serious cash in 2024, dropshipping might just be the ticket. We're talking about a low-risk, high-reward business model where you don't even need to touch inventory. Sounds pretty good, right? But here's the thing. You can't just dropship any random product and expect to rake in the big bucks. You need to find products that are in high demand, have that wow factor, and most importantly, can actually turn a profit. That's why today I'm diving into the top 5 dropshipping products in the USA that you absolutely need to have on your radar for 2024. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned dropshipper looking for the next big thing, these products are absolute gold mines. So, grab your notebooks, get ready to take some notes, and let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with a product category that's exploding right now: fitness trackers. Fitness trackers have become the go-to accessory for anyone looking to level up their fitness game. Everyone from your gym rat neighbor to your grandma is rocking one of these things. The fitness tracker market is projected to reach $92 billion by 2027. And you don't need to be a tech genius to sell these. People are constantly looking for motivation and a way to track their progress. Fitness trackers offer all of that and more, making them perfect for dropshipping. When it comes to marketing, you've got a goldmine of options. Partner with fitness influencers on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. A single shout out from the right influencer can send your sales through the roof. Differentiate yourself by finding a unique angle and offering top-notch customer service. Focus on a specific niche within the fitness tracker market. Dropshipping fitness trackers is a surefire way to tap into a massively profitable market. Let's be real, nobody wants to deal with tangled wires anymore. And that's exactly why wireless earbuds have become an absolute game changer. I mean, they're sleek, they're convenient, and they let you listen to your favorite tunes without feeling like you're tethered to your phone. But here's the thing, the demand for wireless earbuds is through the roof, and it's only going to keep growing. We're talking about a market projected to hit over $290 billion by 2027. That's bigger than the GDP of some small countries. And the best part is that dropshipping wireless earbuds is easier than ever. There are tons of suppliers out there offering high-quality earbuds at wholesale prices, so you can easily find a product that fits your budget and target audience. Now let's talk marketing. With wireless earbuds, you can cast a wide net and target just about anyone with ears. Okay, maybe not everyone, but you get the idea. Think about it. People use earbuds for everything these days: working out, commuting, working from home, you name it. So, you can tailor your marketing campaigns to target specific demographics and interests. For example, you can create ads that highlight the noise-canceling features of your earbuds for people who work in busy environments. Or, you can promote earbuds with long battery life to travelers and commuters. And here's a little secret: social media is your best friend when it comes to selling wireless earbuds. Create engaging content that showcases the features and benefits of your product, and don't be afraid to get creative with your marketing. For instance, you can run contests and giveaways, partner with influencers, or even create user-generated content campaigns. The key is to get people talking about your brand and your products. Trust me, with a little bit of effort and the right strategy, you can easily tap into the booming market of wireless earbuds and watch your dropshipping business soar. The way we work is changing, and it's changing fast. Remote work is no longer just a perk offered by a few cool companies, it's becoming the new normal. And with this shift comes a massive opportunity for dropshippers like you. Think about it. People are ditching their stuffy office cubicles and setting up shop in the comfort of their own homes. But here's the thing, they need the right equipment to stay productive, comfortable, and sane. And that's where you come in. The home office equipment market is booming. And we're not just talking about boring old desks and chairs. We're talking about everything from ergonomic chairs and standing desks to noise-canceling headphones, blue light glasses, and even fancy coffee makers. And the best part? Dropshipping these products is a breeze. You don't need to worry about storing bulky inventory or dealing with shipping logistics. Just find a reliable supplier, create a killer website, and start marketing your products to the millions of remote workers out there. Now, let's talk targeting. When it comes to home office equipment, you can get super specific with your marketing. You can target people based on their profession, their work-from-home setup, or even their pain points. For example, you can target writers and programmers with ergonomic keyboards and mice designed to reduce strain and prevent carpal tunnel. Or, You can promote standing desks and yoga ball chairs to people who spend long hours sitting at their computers. And don't forget about the power of social proof. Encourage your customers to leave reviews and testimonials on your website and social media pages. People trust recommendations from others, so positive reviews can go a long way in boosting your sales. Remember, dropshipping is all about finding a need in the market and filling it. And with the rise of remote work, the need for high-quality, affordable home office equipment has never been greater. So, what are you waiting for? Jump on this trend and start building your dropshipping empire today. Okay, let's talk about a trend that's not just a trend, it's a global movement. Sustainability is no longer just a buzzword, it's a way of life for millions of people around the world. And guess what? This shift towards eco-consciousness presents a massive opportunity for dropshippers. Think about it. People are becoming increasingly aware of their environmental impact, and they're actively looking for ways to reduce their carbon footprint. They're ditching single-use plastics, opting for reusable alternatives, and supporting businesses that align with their values. That's where eco-friendly products come in. We're talking about everything from reusable water bottles and coffee cups, to bamboo toothbrushes, metal straws, and biodegradable phone cases. And here's the beauty of it, the demand for eco-friendly products is skyrocketing. I'm talking about a market that's projected to reach a staggering $150 billion by 2027. That's billion with a B. Now let's talk about why dropshipping eco-friendly products is a no-brainer. First of all, you'll be tapping into a market that's both passionate and growing. These aren't just impulse purchases, people are actively seeking out these products. Second, you'll be aligning your business with a cause that people care about. In today's world, consumers are more likely to support businesses that share their values. By dropshipping eco-friendly products, you're not just selling products, you're selling a lifestyle. But here's the key, authenticity is crucial. Don't just slap an eco-friendly label on any old product and call it a day. Do your research, find suppliers who are truly committed to sustainability, and be transparent about your products and your business practices. And when it comes to marketing, focus on the why behind the product. Highlight the environmental benefits, emphasize the durability and longevity of the products, and showcase the positive impact that your customers are making by choosing your products. Remember, dropshipping eco-friendly products is not just good for business, it's good for the planet. So join the movement, make a difference, and watch your dropshipping business thrive. Let's face it, people love their pets. I mean, we're talking about furry family members who bring us joy, companionship, and the occasional chewed-up shoe. And when it comes to our furry friends, we're willing to spend big bucks to keep them happy, healthy, and pampered. That's why the pet industry is a dropshipper's dream come true. We're talking about a market that's completely recession-proof. I mean, people might cut back on their own spending during tough times, but they'll always find a way to spoil their fur babies. And the best part, the pet supply market is massive. We're talking about everything from food and treats to toys, beds, grooming supplies, and even those adorable little outfits that make you go, "Aw." Now let's talk about why dropshipping pet supplies is a smart move. First of all, you'll be tapping into a market that's both passionate and constantly growing. People are always looking for the latest and greatest products to spoil their pets. Second, you'll have a wide variety of products to choose from. Whether you want to focus on a specific niche like dog toys or cat beds, or offer a wide range of products for different types of pets, the possibilities are endless. And here's a pro tip, personalization is key. People love products that are tailored to their pets. Think about offering personalized collars, tags, or even custom-made pet portraits. When it comes to marketing, social media is your best friend. Create adorable and shareable content featuring pets using your products. Partner with pet influencers, run contests and giveaways, and engage with your audience. And don't forget about the power of storytelling. Share heartwarming stories about pets who have benefited from your products. People connect with emotion, and a good story can go a long way in building trust and loyalty. Remember, dropshipping pet supplies is all about tapping into that deep bond between people and their pets. So, embrace the cuteness overload, unleash your inner animal lover, and watch your dropshipping business flourish. And there you have it, the top 5 dropshipping products in the USA that are primed to make you some serious bank in 2024. Remember, dropshipping is all about finding a profitable niche, providing value to your customers, and constantly adapting to the ever-changing market. So do your research, find reliable suppliers, and don't be afraid to experiment with different products and marketing strategies. The world of dropshipping is yours for the taking, and with a little bit of hustle and the right products, you can achieve financial freedom and build a business you're truly passionate about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.